Wow. Excuse me. You are so beautiful. Excuse me.
What's all this?
Oh my goodness. What a beauty. Oh my God. Hello. How do you do?
What is it now? What do you want? Do I know who you are? Why are you stopping me? What is it? Excuse me.
Beautiful angel. Look, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. There's always a first time of getting acquainted with someone, lady. You don't need to be rude. I'm just trying to talk to you. Can you just give me your attention for a minute? I'm just trying to appreciate.
Rubbish.
Come on, hello.
What is it?
Come on.
Can't you let me be?
Come on, you don't need to be like this. I'm just trying to talk to you. I'm just trying to get acquainted. You know, I'm just asking myself what a beautiful angel like you would be doing walking under the hot sun.
How is that your business? It's none of your business.
Perhaps I can give you a lift to wherever you're going to. I just want to give you a ride, and then along the way we can get acquainted.
Are you sure you really want to take me to wherever I am going?
Wherever you're going to, beautiful angel.
For acquainted, I am not interested.
You're not interested
Not
in
at
being
all.
given a lift?
Yeah.
I promise you, I will just drop you off wherever you're going to. Anywhere you're going to right now. It's better than being in the sun. Don't you think so?
You promise?
I promise.
You promise?
I promise.
That you're going to give me a ride to wherever
I'm
I
going
am
to give you a ride to wherever you're going to.
Okay. If you must know, I am going to visit my boyfriend, my man.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, you see? So no more riding.
No. Excuse me. Come on. My name is Professor King. I'm a man of my word. And I have given you my word that I will take you to wherever you're going to. So it's fine. If you want to go see your boyfriend, it's not a problem. I'll take you there.
Are you really sure you are ready to take me to see my boyfriend?
I will take you there. Pronto. And if you wish to get acquainted along the way, it's fine. If not, we can just have a silent ride.
Thank you.
It's fine. Come in. Wow. Wow. I am truly honored to have such a beautiful damsel like you in my car. You know, let's go to your boyfriend's place. You must have a rich boyfriend.
It's none of your business.
Well, I'm sure he is to have such a
Please,
beautiful...
can we just drive? Because we are going late. He's waiting for me. Thank you.
Okay, fine. A silent ride is what you want. That is what you get. Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Are you sure this is the place?
Where's my baby? Yes, this is the place. I think I should just... I think I should just call him.
Excuse me. Are you sure this is the place your boyfriend lives?
Yes. Baby, where are you? I'm here. Please come up. Yeah, come up. Please, my baby is here. Baby.
How are you, babe?
Oh, fine. Come and meet my baby. I thought you were not around.
Who is this?
He's I've forgotten what he calls his name.
Professor King.
Yeah, Professor King. He gave me a ride because the sun was too much.
Excuse me. Is this your baby?
Yeah. This is my baby, my man that I told you.
Your boyfriend. How are you?
Yes. Hello, meet my baby.
Are you sure this is your baby?
Yeah. This is my baby.
Your
my
boyfriend?
Man. Yeah,
The one you told me you're coming to see?
Yeah, he's the one.
This is him?
I told you I was coming to see my man. This is him.
And this is where he lives?
Yeah. That's where he lives.
Is this a joke? Am I being pranked right now?
How? I don't get it. I thought he was not even around. That was why I called.
Oh, okay.
Babe, what is going on here?
Are you're dating? Why is he dressed like this? Is he a madman or something?
Excuse me?
Hey, what do you call yourself? You call yourself prof or what? Do you want to live here in peace or in pieces?
Excuse me, please. I don't mean.
Baby,
No. Take it easy, sir.
Calm down,
Take it easy.
calm down.
Look, I don't mean to be offensive, but you have to admit. Look at the way you're dressed. You dress like a madman.
Hey, Mr. King, please. Don't talk to my man like that, okay? I've chosen him the way he is. This is the man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Oh my
And
goodness.
please don't bring him down, please.
I don't suffer.
Mind the way you talk to him.
Are you being serious? So this is the man you have chosen over me.
Of course, yes.
I don't suffer.
Baby, it's okay.
You know what? I'm impressed. You know, there are very few women in the world who will do what you are doing right now. To be able to calm down and date a man of lowly status. I am totally flabberwhelmed and overgasted by this situation. Wow. Okay. Well, I wish you good luck.
I believe him. Let's go.
So,
Can you imagine? Look at him.
so you're actually going to take her in there? Wow. Wow.